Doing a little test on the 5kW LF Bros diesel heater. This has been off for a couple of days now. The garage is down to about 30 degrees. We're going to see how long it takes to get warmed up to about 50. It's right at 9:30 and we're at 30.7 degrees. We're a little over 2 hours and we're up to 38.8. Let's check the fuel consumption. We used about 1.5 liters of fuel so far. We're at the 4-hour mark, 42.4 degrees. And we used over a little over 2 liters. At 5 hours, we're 45.5 degrees. It is about 7 degrees out now, so, and this garage isn't sealed up the best. 8 hours later, we're at 47.3. I don't think we're gonna hit the 50. But a rise of 17 degrees ain't that bad when it's 7 degrees outside. And we are just about out of fuel. Right at the 8-hour mark.